갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your favorite girl Jane Onovia. In case you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I love you guys so much. So guys, in this video I'm just showing you what I did over the weekend, like how my weekend went. I went to the market restocking for the family. I was actually restocking for a family of 3. Guys, things are really expensive, and I was working on a budget of 70,000 naira. Could you imagine that I didn't even buy a lot of things? But we got to manage 70,000 naira is a whole lot of money to be, on food. We actually managed as a home manager. I got to manage whatever money that was given to you. So I managed the money. I was able to restock. I got a lot of things for the family. So when I get back home, I'm going to be showing you in details how much I got everything, so that if you're working with a budget of 70,000 naira for a family of 3, it can work. So I'm even looking at it saying to up to 3 months, or 2 months, and yeah, we'll be comfortable with that. So I actually went and bought fruits. What is the weekend without a fruit in the fridge? My family like it whenever they open up the fridge and they are seeing this fresh fruit. So I actually bought the one that will be lasting us for 1 week, sorry. So I'll be juicing some. I will use some to do zobo drink, doing all those healthy things. So I actually went to Rumokoro market. What is Rumokoro market without me buying all these fruits? Because you're actually going to be getting the fresh ones and very affordable. The place I'm living, I don't get them. So me coming to Rumokoro market was just a very a good opportunity. So I actually got goat meat because I actually wanted to cook ogbono soup. If you actually been following my short vlogs, I've been doing things, cooking things I've actually not been cooking before. So I've actually not made ogbono soup for my family before. So my mom actually told me that cooking ogbono soup with goat meat is the real deal. So when I go back home, I'm making ogbono soup so we can have it for dinner. Guy, it tasted so well. So I actually did some things. I prepared it in a way that I actually learned from you guys here online, not the way my mom taught me this time, because I actually know that my mom was not always cooking that ogbono soup. So I wanted to try because they said that guys love it a lot. So I had to cook it for the odogus in the house. I know. So I was cooking and I had to use a lot of pepper. That thing is just pepper, a mixture of pepper. I am Igbo, but eating pepper, I am Yoruba. I don't even mind. So I'm just going to be cooking. I had to cook a lot of things. I'll put in the fridge so that the weekend, at least 2 weeks, I won't be cooking any fresh things. After cooking that, I'm actually going to make a goosey soup. Yeah, because I don't want to always be rushing to the kitchen to cook soup, because they like to eat swallow. It is something that comes very handy. They can easily get it, I just let them microwave soup, just eat. I don't need to go to the kitchen to do all those ones. So that's why I'm cooking. The ogbono soup was actually ogbono, and I actually enjoyed it, and I'm going to be trying out some other soup that I've not been cooking, because I don't want to be a boring cook. I don't want them to always be boring coming home to cook it. They should be expecting something new whenever they are rushing to come home, and I'm achieving all those things. I'm trying a lot, so I actually have some lists that other things I'm going to be cooking for them. So I actually prepared this ogbono soup and I was happy. So after cooking, I had to rest. That I was waiting for them to get back so we eat. So this is my fresh food. I had to eat my own before they come back. So these are the things I actually got from the market. Onion seems to be the cheapest thing in the market. That one was 500 naira. I don't like buying too much, so it doesn't expire, spoil. And crayfish for 3,500 naira. And this rice, I got it for 20,000 naira. I'm sure it's going to be lasting us for like 2 months or 3, depending on how well everybody's staying at home. But I don't like eating rice. I got a color of indomie. This one costed about 4,100 naira. Yeah, and I got these tomatoes. I bought like 2 rolls. It was actually 2,001. And I got this onga. I love this onga, especially for cooking more. It was about 300 naira. I got a cubes for seasoning cubes for 800 naira. All those things, all these sachet things, I got them for 500 naira. Someone actually asked me to try this for jollof rice, so I'm going to be trying it anytime. And this is my favorite chicken seasoning lasso, and I got a time, so I'm not going to pack it where I keep my things. I'll blend my crayfish. This is curry, so it always come handy whenever I'm cooking. I also got white sugar for drinking tea and custard. Guys, how much is fresh tomatoes costing in your area? This one, you cannot believe that everything there is 2,000 naira. Like, I didn't even see the tomatoes to buy. This is the only thing. I bought a lot of pepper. Maybe I should be making pepper stew anytime soon. So this is Saturday morning. I prepared yam and egg sauce so we can use it for breakfast. It was approximately breakfast and lunch because we don't eat that early. But before 12:01, that was the time I was cooking this. So I made egg sauce and serve it with yam. This egg sauce is nice. Since there was no tomato, so I actually switched to using veggies, carrots, green pepper, green pea, just to make my sauce. And they love it, guys. I don't even know that they're going to like it. So this is actually the way I'm going to be cooking it. Cutting all these vegetables is very, very, very tedious. So this is me. We're boiling my eggs. So guys, if you're watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, I had to put up a lot of work, filming from the market. Sometimes when you carry up your camera, people will look at you like, what is this and doing, without knowing that you're a vlogger. It is not easy. It is not easy. So this is when the vegetable was done. It was looking so delicious. Like, it's not about how it's looking, it was so delicious. So this is table for two. I actually joined the food together for them. I made table for two. Don't ask me mine. I ate from the pot. Okay, ready with me to go pick up a review from the park. I actually ordered some handbags. If you've been following me, I said I started a new business and I'm selling handbags for the ladies, just for the ladies. If you need any beautiful, affordable handbags, I'm here to serve it. So I actually ordered for some new ones and I was trying to get ready. I wore this black t-shirt and I was feeling hot. I just be like, no, I needed something free, so I had to switch. So I wanted to wear something sleeveless so that air will. It's already evening, so I didn't want to dress that serious. And moreover, the driver was already calling me to come pick it up. I was telling him, keep it at your park, I'll come pick it on a Sunday. And he said that the park doesn't open on a Sunday, so I had to rush. But thank God that my brother was around, so he actually drove me there. If not, I don't even think I was going to be able to pick up that with that day. Is it that it goes back to wherever it's coming from? So I just dressed up and I just wanted to wear something serious, simple. So we drove to the park. So this is when we drove to the park. We are driving. So that evening was such a tedious one. Someone actually bashed our car. Can't see fight. It's not easy. I was actually feeling guilty. If not that I wanted to go and pick up something, this wouldn't have happened. That is what we see while driving. So this is when I came back and I'm unboxing what I got. Some of these handbags were not appealing to me. This is not actually the stuffs I've been selling. This is not how it has been looking. I like pretty bags. See, whenever I'm choosing bags, I choose something I can use. If I cannot use it, which means someone else cannot use it, honestly. So, but some of them were fine, some of them were something I could use. So I selected about 10 of it, and the rest I'm sending it back honestly. So I can't be the one to be carrying all these bags and people will be looking at me like I'm crazy. I need something fine, something that I can sell easily. This one I'm bringing out was just looking like shoe. I don't know. Maybe these bags actually came from Korea, because Korea they have horrible taste when it comes to designs. For real, Korea. But if it is from China, China they try, sha. China they have upgraded. They know what's up. I don't know what's up. I am very sure that this is from Korea. But the bags were quality. When you say quality bag, they were very good quality. But the aesthetic wasn't looking that good. People now, young girls now buy things that trends aesthetically. It's not something that will just be looking like your like this one now. It's fine, but I don't know how it's even looking, just looking like a Bible. But there are ones that were actually so fine, guys. They were really very fine. So guys, please, I want to say, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't hesitate to do that. Do you know when I started being a YouTuber and I cannot even get up to 500 subscribers? What is it that I'm not even doing right? If just whenever you watch this, whenever you're seeing my video, just watch and give me a thumbs up and actually subscribe. I subscribe to a lot of you guys here, so why is it that it's difficult for someone to watch my video and not subscribe? You don't like me. Even if you don't like what I'm doing, why not comment? I don't like this, I don't like that. That is why that comment section is open for you, so you can say what your mind is. So guys, wish me well in this business. I'm trying my best. So after that night, I had to go and prep for my coconut rice because I wanted to cook it on a Sunday morning. So I had to prep it on the night, so it will be very easy for me in the morning, because I'll actually be dressing up to go to church, do a lot of things. So I didn't want anything to waste my time. So I actually didn't show you guys where I was cooking the um coconut rice, but I can assure you guys that it tasted well. This channel is not about cooking, but I'm just showing you what I do in the weekend. Okay, maybe some other time I'll just be like, watch me cook coconut rice and I'll show you the recipe. Like, everybody was wild in the house and they were happy. I'm achieving that goal of not being a boring cook. Everybody should be happy when I cook. So the coconut rice tasted very well. I can attest to it. So I had to blend it, clean it, juice out the milk, and that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this video. Please, if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and always be bringing out beautiful vlogs. I just decided to be doing more of vlogs on my channel because our daily lifestyle is a movie. Like, when all of us start recording what happens in our life every day, I'm sure everybody will get entertained. So that is why I'm actually doing this vlog constantly right now. That's I'm doing it. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. You still remain your beautiful girl, Jane Onobia. Bye.